Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get this in no time. And also, if you have time, see what other goodies they have to offer. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It's raining outside, so that's why the box is a little wet. But it's alright. It's a new month, and we got a new item. Here we go. So definitely check this out. And if you like it, click the link, add it to your cart, and they'll ship it to you fast. Alright, here we go. This is coming from Sgleds. So we got something from them. Come on. It's got some weight to it. Alright. Right off of there. And here we go. Sgleds. So let's see what's inside. Oops. Here we go. Oh, here we go. There we go. We got one of these. We got the manual. Whoa. Outdoor LED floodlight. Look at this remote. Dang. It's a nice remote. AAA batteries. You might want to stock up on some of those. Actually, I got some. Let me close this. LED. Ooh. Very nice. Got the cord. Alright, it's a rubber band, man. That should be easy. It's not too bad of a cord. Plug her in a second. We got the stand right here. You can mount it on the wall. It's going to be super bright. If I got enough room to reach. Hold on a second. Alright, let me get the batteries. Alright guys, this thing is super bright. Holy moly. Let me shut that light off. Shut a couple other lights off. Boy, oh boy. This thing is bright. Let me... Dang, that's crazy bright. I don't think they're going to blind you guys. I'm definitely seeing spots. Oh boy, strobe. That ain't too bad. Flash. Whoa. Fade. Smooth. We got orange. Look at this. It's already brightening up my whole room. Coral. That one right there. Coral. And then gold. Gold's pretty cool. We got purple, purple, pink, yellow, orchard, that's cool, navy, it's like a deep blue, definitely working if you've got a big backyard type deal, navy, indigo. I mean, it is bright though. Once you guys get one, it is bright because my eyes are spotty right now. We got the lime, aqua, cyan, then you could preset up here M1, M2, M3, M4. Here's M1. Oh, that's bright. M2. Now remember, the remote it is not waterproof, so you might want to bring that inside, but that's IP66 on the waterproof. M3. Ooh. Tweak it down a little. And M4. That's bright. Definitely could see your house if you ever get in those crazy floods like we have out here in Detroit. Been a lot of flooding everywhere, pretty much New York. So you might want to grab a couple of these. Help your business or your home. You never know. So definitely check these guys out. SG LED. Pretty cool though. I mean, easy to install, easy to mount. I think they got a preset reset down here. Yeah, that's a ooh, that's bright. Ooh, bright, bright, bright. Alright, so definitely check them out, YouTubers. Be safe, have a good night, and see you soon.